Okay, real quick, just going through the blankets I have from Vocal Booth to Go. So how I have them installed, up on the wall, I just got these 2x4s. I have those screwed into the wall at the very top, and then I have the blankets just attached to those 2x4s. Because on some of the blankets, you can get them with or without the grommets. So they have the holes in them, and you can hang them, or you can just put a screw and a washer through it so they'll attach to the wall. So they're not really thick, but they're thicker than your standard moving blankets. So on this wall, I just have one layer of blankets, and then I have a window behind this wall. So I got two blankets overlapping each other, and I have one more blanket that I'm gonna put up there. So, and in between that, I'm gonna put 2x4s, so it'll create some space, so a little bit of air. And then I'm gonna put another blanket over top of that. And then this wall, this is the wall that my neighbor is on. I don't have any neighbors on the other side of me, but I do have a neighbor on this side. She's about, I want to say about 20 feet away. So I doubled the blankets on this wall. So I have a 2x4, then one blanket, then another 2x4, and then another layer of blankets all on this wall. And then on the wall behind my drums, I don't have any neighbors behind me. So I got it overlapping just a little bit on that side. And then one layer of blankets. And then over the door, they make a special blanket for doors and windows. It's just one of the blankets, but it's folded over and stitched together. So it's a little bit thicker. So I think this is like, I want to say like 8 feet tall. So I just have it attached to the door. I just got this, what's this board called? Like common board or something? SDF board, yeah. And I just have it attached to the door so it'll move with the door. And I got it hanging off so it just hangs on the floor just a little bit to catch that space that's going under the door, the air coming under the door. So yeah, that's the blankets.